Welcome to 10-minute yoga inspired warm-up. We will move through a series of dynamic stretches and yoga poses to improve range of motion, mobility and flexibility in the whole body. Let's get started sitting on the heels in thunderbolt pose, just to get a little stretch through the front of your feet and ankles. Take a big inhale, circle your arms up, stretching up through the sides of the waist. Exhale, side bend to the right hand down. Inhale back to center, reach up. Exhale, side bend to the left. Inhale back to center. Exhale to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left. Inhale back to center. Exhale, circle the arms down. Now tuck your toes under. Take your pinkies out of the way and sit back to your heels. As you stretch your feet here, move your head side to side, stretching the neck. Look to your right, then to your left. Come back to center, lift your chin up and lower it to the chest. Look up and down a few times. Bring your head back to center, interlace your fingers and rotate your wrists. Release your hands, roll your shoulders up, back and down a couple of times. Maybe also in another direction. Big shoulder circles. Then come to your hands and knees for cat and cow. As you inhale, drop the belly, pull your chest up, look up. Exhale, round the back, draw chin to chest. Inhale, arch in the back. Exhale, round as much as you can. One more time, inhale. And exhale. Come back to neutral position. With inhale, raise your right arm, opening to the right. Exhale, thread the arm under your left shoulder without lowering your right shoulder down. Inhale, raise your right arm, opening up. Exhale, thread the arm. One more time, open as you inhale. Exhale, thread the arm and then lower your right shoulder down. And then come back to your hands and knees. Same on the other side. With inhale, raise your left arm, opening up. Exhale, thread the arm to the right. Keep moving with your breath. One more time, open, inhale. And as you exhale, lower your left shoulder down, stay here. With your next breath, come up to your hands and knees. Tuck your toes under and lift your hips up into downward facing dog. Bend and straighten your legs one by one, or do any other movement that feels good in your downward facing dog. Then step your right foot forward between your hands, lower your left knee down, raise up into low lunge. Inhale, reach your arms up, lift through the chest. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, bend the elbows, roll the shoulder blades down. Inhale, straighten the arms, reach up. Exhale, bend. One more time on your own. You should really feel it on your shoulders. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, hands down to the mat. Walk your right foot out to the outer edge of the mat. Lift your left knee up in lizard pose. And we will add more movement here. With inhale, raise your right arm, twist into the right. Exhale, right hand down, spin your back heel down. Inhale, lift your left arm in side angle. Exhale, lower the hand, lift your back heel. Inhale, lizard twist. Exhale, release. Side angle, inhale. You can always bring your forearm to the side for easier variation. And release with exhale. One more round on your own. Come back to lizard and step your right foot back in downward facing dog. Step your left foot forward between the hands. Raise up in low lunge. Inhale, reach your arms up, lift through the chest. Exhale, bend the elbows, elbows to your waist. Reach your arms, inhale. Shoulders down, exhale. One more. Inhale, straighten the arms up. Exhale, hands down to the mat. Walk your left foot out. Lift your back knee. Inhale, raise your left arm up, twist. Exhale, release the hand down, spin your back heel down. Inhale, side angle. Exhale, release. Keep moving. And when you come back to lizard, step your left foot back and bring your hands back towards your feet. Turn your toes out and sit into deep squat, palms together in front of the heart. With inhale, try to lift your chest a bit more. Exhale, hands down to the mat, straighten your legs, hips up. Inhale, sit down in squat, lift the chest. Exhale, forward bend. One more time, inhale, squat. Exhale, forward bend. And stay here now. You can widen your feet a little, hug your elbows, release your upper body, sway side to side. Legs can be slightly bent or completely straight, just whatever feels better on your hamstrings. One more breath here. Release your hands, lower the knees for child's pose. Big toes together, knees can be together or wider apart. Roll your shoulders back, interlace fingers behind your back. Inhale, lift the chest, pull the knuckles down. Exhale, bend forward, forehead down on the mat. Pull your hands away from the body, stretching the shoulders. And a little stretch on the hips and ankles here in child's pose. Carefully release your hands and come up to seated. Now you're ready for your workout. Let me know in the comments if you like this short mobility routine. See you in the next video. Bye!